Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar coming to you from where again? Lagos, Nigeria. So this is the final phases of the landscape project. The grass is coming in. So they bring in a bag of grass, and then let me see if I could take you close enough to see what the young man is doing. So let's watch him. He sticks the machete in, then puts the grass and then smacks it and then cuts it. So that's what they're going to do all day till they fill this place up. And then this is going to get watered like no man's business. So that's phase one. Today they're going to also plant all these. All these are going to get planted. That as well will get planted. The Chinese bamboo is going to go there. And I think it's going to go around here too. The individual making the furniture should be coming today. And what he's going to do is he'll put some pots. He'll put some pots here, 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 and there. And in the pot will be plants that could grow to cover this. So the plants will grow to cover this. So this will give me an extra added, extra bit of privacy. People are going to be able to look in when they pass. So a little surprise, we have termites. You can see termite nest. See termite nest, so we have termites. So this requires treatment before we do anything. If this was the US, your house is gone because we build stick houses. Here we build houses with concrete. So it's not an issue. You just eat what's made of wood and that's about it. But we have termites. So they're digging it up. They'll treat it and then we'll plant this area.
You can see the termites.
Where?
See them there. You see them?
I don't see them. Okay, I see one. I see that. No? Where? Anyway, there are termites there. Just take our word for it. Okay, I see.
I saw a big head like a queen just now.
Hello YouTube. So these plants came in yesterday. I think this came in yesterday. These have been here. Oh, I didn't notice this one. Oh, that's a tobacco plant. That is tobacco. I didn't notice that. These have been here for a while. Let me see if there's anything else new I can show you. This is called the Jungle Boogie. What was it? Kool and the Gang had a song called Jungle Boogie. Jungle Boogie, So let me show you more plants. So I showed you this the last time. That's the one I told you. This is the desert rose that I called the queen of. What have I called it? It was desert rose. I called it hibiscus. Sorry. This expensive looking one, I don't remember what it is. So if you know what it is, please post in the comment section telling me what this is. So here's the grass. From this view, it doesn't look very good. Let me see if I could show you a better view from. So here's the other section that has grass. As you can see, it's missing there because they ran out of grass. And then over here, they ran out of wood, this wood. So they're going to come and they're going to, align it. And then along here, along this line, going down there, they're going to plant these. So they'll make very good borders. So that's what they're going to plant over there. So let me see if I can show you a better view of the grass, because when you look at it from the perspective I looked at it from, it doesn't look that great. Well, give it a few days, and I guess you will see some growth and you see some improvement, but it's going to require a ridiculous amount of water just to keep it going. So that side looks better, right? And then this looks okay too. So it's the way they plant it. They stick a machete into the ground, they stick it in, they smack it, and then they cut it. That's the way they did it. So have you subscribed? If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. So this is the end of part 5 of my project. Hopefully the wishing well that's going to be over there behind that soursop will come in next week. And then the pots, the cast iron pots that I had, they're going to put feet, and then we're going to have them lining up these areas. So once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Let me say that again. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria with my landscaping project. Thank you for watching.